Hello, little friends. Today we're going to draw a funny penguin chef named Cookie. Cookie is making a hot and tasty pizza. Let's draw the head and the chef's hat. Colors: black, white, blue. Cookie put on his big chef hat and said, "Today I'll make my very first pizza." Now the eyes and the beak. Colors: black, orange. His eyes sparkled, and with a smile Cookie said, "Yum yum, pizza is coming." Let's draw the body and wings. Colors: black, white, gray. With his shiny body and flapping wings, Cookie was ready to start cooking. Now the feet. Color: orange. Tap tap went his little feet as Cookie walked into the kitchen. Next, the table. Color: brown. This table will hold Cookie's dream pizza. Let's draw the pizza base. Colors: beige, light yellow. The crispy crust made Cookie's mouth water. Add the cheese layer. Color: yellow. The cheese began to melt, filling the air with a delicious smell. Now the tomato slices. Color: red. The bright red tomatoes made the pizza look even tastier. Next, the olives. Color: green. The green olives rolled on, and Cookie said, "Vegetables keep us healthy too." Let's draw stars, the moon, and hearts around. Colors: yellow, red. The twinkling stars and glowing moon made the kitchen feel magical. Steam rises from the pizza. Color, light gray. Finally, Cookie shouted, "Ta-da! My pizza is ready!" Friends, tell me what topping would you add on Cookie's pizza?